Hello, this is the free of clock notion template, and where you can manage your free time. Here in the toggle, you can see the instructions on how to use this template. Then there is a section to add quick tasks, hobbies, notes, and collections for fast. Then there is two other sections called task management and hobbies. Task management related to hobbies actually. The hobbies like working on something, maybe coding. Then coding will do like creating a website. Then the task is here is creating a heading, creating a hero section, and then the other sections that are the tasks you should do. Like hobbies is creating a website, check, and the task is like completing a hero page. Yep. And it will go to done. As you see that in progress, it will come here. If it's for tomorrow, starting date is tomorrow, then it will go there. Then there is collection section and note section. That both are in the toggle, and the collections section that lasts for longer than 30 seconds and medium short. Then there is note section for today's note and weekly notes and monthly notes and all note. Then there is analytics. Let me show you how you can do this. You may imagine this is 20, it's 25. You add a habit and name it like habit, something like focusing on work related habit. Okay, you can change the name. I'm just showing as an example. So again, you should add a new and open this and add a relation first, like work. Here's the work. Yeah, here's the work. There is, as you can see, there is all 0, but whenever you check the habits, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 71%, yeah, still showing 85.7% done. 0 habit 7 is not done, completed. That's why it's showing 0. Yeah, that's it. And this week you should manually add this, because see, that's only downfall to that.